the writing process. That is the last step. The last step is publishing. Publishing means we take our writing, all that we have worked on, and we make it look really nice. So, what you're going to do today is take your organizer and you are going to write down on your very nice, pretty paper your writing. But we are not using any colors on this paper because it's our final paper. We're publishing it so that readers can really read it. Because in our normal writing, we don't use colors. The colors are just signals to help our brain remember what to do in writing. So today we are going to publish our How to Catch the Tooth Fairy writing. All right, writers, I have my organizer, my nice paper, and a very sharp pencil with an eraser, and I'm going to do my final draft. The first thing I have to do is write my name. When you are doing your final draft, it's very important that you use your best first grade printing. Okay, now if you remember, when you write a paragraph, you don't want to start right at the edge on your first line. You want to indent or push your writing in. So I'm going to put my 2 fingers down, and then I'm going to indent and push my first line in. I'm starting with an uppercase letter because that's what my organizer shows right here. So I have to make sure I start with my topic sentence. That's the first part. I'm using finger spaces in between my words. I'm copying down what my organizer says because I've already edited it and it makes sense. You will notice I'm not using any colors. I cannot squeeze the word the on this line, so I'm going to go to my second line. Remember, I do not push in my second line, I go to the edge. So, I am writing my topic sentence. I have finger spaces. I'm copying down exactly what my organizer says, but I'm using my best first grade printing. Incredible. I don't think incredible is going to fit on this line, so I'm going to go to my next line. Making sure my letters sit on the line. Now, you'll notice on my organizer, I had a caret. I do not need to put a caret on my final draft because I can make space for it. After my topic sentence, I have to go to step number 1. I have to remember my transition word and the comma. I'm copying down what my organizer says. See how I have it right next door so it's easy to look at? I'm trying to go edge to edge as long as my words fit. See how this word fit? Then I can put it on the line. So I'm going to keep writing. After step number 1, I'm going to do step number 2. And then I'm going to write step number 3. I am not going to go past step number 3 today because I have some time tomorrow to finish up my final draft. I want to make sure that I take my time and I'm using my best printing, which is why you get more than 1 day to work on your final. All right, writers, I'm going to let you All right, writers, it's your turn. You are working on step number 5 of the writing process. Do you remember what it's called? It's called publishing. It's when you take your writing and you make it look its best. And it's the final one, so we don't want any mistakes. We want to make sure we're looking at our organizer and doing exactly what we have on there. No colors today, writers. All right, take your time because you have today and tomorrow to work on your publishing.